Want to speak real Greek from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at GreekPod101.com.
Hey everyone, it's Stephanie again, and in this video we'll see 10 ways to remember words. I know many of you have trouble retaining Greek vocabulary, so I hope these tips coming from the GreekPod101.com team will help. Μέσω της επανάληψης. Μέσω της επανάληψης. Through repetition. Μέσω της επανάληψης. Through repetition. Η κόρη μου μαθαίνει καλύτερα μέσω της επανάληψης. Η κόρη μου μαθαίνει καλύτερα μέσω της επανάληψης. My daughter learns better through repetition. Unless you have a photographic memory or whatever you see or read, you're gonna have to make repetition your best friend while learning Greek. Βλέπω τηλεοπτικές σειρές με υπότιτλους. Βλέπω τηλεοπτικές σειρές με υπότιτλους. To watch TV series with subtitles. Βλέπω τηλεοπτικές σειρές με υπότιτλους. To watch TV series with subtitles. Προσπαθώ να βλέπω τηλεοπτικές σειρές με υπότιτλους για να τις καταλαβαίνω και να τις ευχαριστιέμαι περισσότερο. Προσπαθώ να βλέπω τηλεοπτικές σειρές με υπότιτλους για να τις καταλαβαίνω και να τις ευχαριστιέμαι περισσότερο. I try to watch TV series with subtitles in order to understand them and to enjoy them more. Do you watch any Greek series? Let me know which ones in the comments below. Κάνω πρακτική γράφοντας. Κάνω πρακτική γράφοντας. To practice by writing. Κάνω πρακτική γράφοντας. To practice by writing. Κάνω πρακτική γράφοντας τις άγνωστες λέξεις σε ένα τετράδιο. Κάνω πρακτική γράφοντας τις άγνωστες λέξεις σε ένα τετράδιο. I practice by writing unknown words in a notebook. This is something that actually helps me a lot while learning a new language. I always keep a notebook where I write down words and phrases. It definitely helps me remember them better. This is very important, especially now in the digital era, where you learn simply by looking at a device or just by listening to audio. People forget to take notes, and keeping notes has shown that helps with retention of information. Διαβάζω δυνατά. Διαβάζω δυνατά. To read out loud. Διαβάζω δυνατά. To read out loud. Διαβάζω δυνατά τον διάλογο του κάθε μαθήματος. Διαβάζω δυνατά τον διάλογο του κάθε μαθήματος. I read out loud each lesson's dialogue. I think this is a good exercise. As you hear yourself reading, you should always tell yourself to try to read better next time, making less mistakes and having a better articulation. When you hear yourself, you can hear how different it is from the speech of a native speaker, and you can self-tune. Επινοώ ιστορίες. Επινοώ ιστορίες. To make up stories. Επινοώ ιστορίες. To make up stories. Μου αρέσει να επινοώ αστείες παιδικές ιστορίες. Μου αρέσει να επινοώ αστείες παιδικές ιστορίες. I like to make up funny children's stories. Even if you don't have a wild imagination, I think anyone can make up a story. The process itself of making up a story in a different language is a great exercise and helps you remember or even recall words you haven't used for a while and would otherwise forget. It's like making your brain do a Google search inside of it. So making up stories helps you remember words. And if you can't remember some words, or if you don't know specific words you need for your story, you will most likely end up looking them up in a dictionary. Δημιουργώ συσχετισμούς μεταξύ των λέξεων. Δημιουργώ συσχετισμούς μεταξύ των λέξεων. To create associations between words. Δημιουργώ συσχετισμούς μεταξύ των λέξεων. To create associations between words. Όταν μάθαινα γερμανικά, δημιουργούσα συσχετισμούς μεταξύ των λέξεων. Όταν μάθαινα γερμανικά, δημιουργούσα συσχετισμούς μεταξύ των λέξεων. When I was learning German, I was creating associations between words. Many people remember things by making associations. For example, some try to find words that sound similar in their language. Απομνημονεύω ακούγοντας. Απομνημονεύω ακούγοντας. To memorize by listening. Απομνημονεύω ακούγοντας. To memorize by listening. Απομνημονεύω καλύτερα ακούγοντας τις λέξεις παρά βλέποντάς τες. Απομνημονεύω καλύτερα ακούγοντας τις λέξεις παρά βλέποντάς τες. I memorize better by listening to the words rather than seeing them. Do you have good auditory memory or are you a visual learner? Διαβάζω απλά κείμενα. Διαβάζω απλά κείμενα. To read simple texts. Διαβάζω απλά κείμενα. To read simple texts. Διαβάζω απλά κείμενα για να τα καταλαβαίνω. Διαβάζω απλά κείμενα για να τα καταλαβαίνω. I read simple texts in order to understand them. That gives you a sense of satisfaction, right? When you read a simple text that you happen to understand. You're like, hey, it's not all Greek to me after all. Although, can you say it's all Greek to me when you're actually studying Greek? Ακούω τραγούδια με τους στίχους. Ακούω τραγούδια με τους στίχους. To listen to songs with lyrics. Ακούω τραγούδια με τους στίχους. To listen to songs with lyrics. Ακούω τραγούδια με τους στίχους τους για να μπορώ να το τραγουδάω. Ακούω τραγούδια με τους στίχους τους για να μπορώ να τα τραγουδάω. I listen to songs with their lyrics so I can sing them. Do you have any favorite Greek song that you like to sing or that you listen to often? Let me know. Επαναλαμβάνω πριν πάω για ύπνο. Επαναλαμβάνω πριν πάω για ύπνο. To repeat before going to sleep. Επαναλαμβάνω πριν πάω για ύπνο. To repeat before going to sleep. Επαναλαμβάνω τις νέες λέξεις που μαθαίνω πριν πάω για ύπνο. Επαναλαμβάνω τις νέες λέξεις που μαθαίνω πριν πάω για ύπνο. I repeat the new words that I learned before going to sleep. I'm not sure if that method would work for me, since I'm always extremely tired, and I pass out as soon as my head touches the pillow. But I guess you can try this one out. So, what did you think about these 10 ways to remember words? Can you think of different tricks or methods that help you? Please share your experience with us by leaving a comment. And if you want to keep learning Greek, follow our channel or visit GreekPod101.com for more lessons. See you next time. Γεια χαρά!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.